Welcome to my channel. So today I'm at Electrify 2024 Long Beach, California, and I will review the new electric bicycle. So I'm gonna try the new Revv 1 DRT. Everybody have question about with Bafang motor. It's actually doesn't say which one. Most likely 1000 watt. Nice tires. About the same frame, looks like a little bit stiff. Yeah, firm seat. The battery right there. The most great feature of this, the RST fork through axle, which give you good safety when you're off-roading, and
just for longer range.
Headlight moving with your bar, really unique kind of headlight with the right one up right over here. And again, I'm not gonna record the riding experience because I forgot my Chester. The rear shock, it's by D&M Brunner. I don't see much information, but I'll see. I'll tell you more what I feel about the bike later. Okay, so let's go for it. Alright, so I just had a great experience riding the bike. So basically they didn't unlock, and it's good because there's somebody already fall. They try to be very fast on the ghost cat, so they fall, very dangerous, and unlocked probably. So they didn't unlock for me. But again, this bike comes with a kind of off-road tires. Basically it is off-road bike, which has a very soft and nice front fork, very good travel on it. It's like professional, I would say. Better, like one of the best forks you're probably gonna find on this type of bicycle right now in this price category. And they do have very nice soft shock on the back. I know it doesn't matter which shock because it depends how it's designed, because the same shock can be on different bike, will be more firmer. So the way it's designed for this particular model, it feels very bouncy and soft, and at the same time very stable. But if you're riding on the street, this tire is gonna make some noise, just for you to know. So they're noisy on the street, but for off-road probably one of the best, because not only they have nice traction, but also you probably will not get flat. As you can see, it's like motorcycle style. The seat, it's firm, pretty much firm, but again, it's for off-road. If you want something softer, probably you can upgrade it, but it comes with tail light. Basically it's fully loaded bike, but it's more for off-road. I'm not sure how powerful for uphill, but the best part of this bicycle, I would say, the fork and rear suspension. All this combination feels good. Again, when you're riding this bike, it feels like you're more in aggression, like more aggressive style, not like relax on the Revv bicycle or Goat bicycle. It's more like leaning forward. And they do have very nice brakes. I tested out. This typing power, it's great. Let me see how large they are. They're 203 millimeter, which is great. 4 piston. So really good wallow. So I'm gonna post link in description as well, so you can check them out. Good bike. And also the things I like about Ride One Up, it's not only the price, very good priced, all of the bicycle. I reviewed this one, and Cafe Cruiser, one of the best cruisers you can find on the market right now. It's like ridiculous price, and all of them very good quality. You can see by frame how they make them very nicely. Every single model you will not find the same frame. Every single, this one is stepped through, very nice design. So they have very good frame quality, finish job. So that's, and also good branding on the brakes. So everything like high quality. Ride One Up, check them out.